Hi guys, Sithix6 here, and I've been practicing my F12 cases, so hopefully I could put them to use. And this will be my daily Rubik's Cube solve. Whenever I turn the cube, I try to make sure that it's completely turned before I start another turn. For example, when I do the love move, I make sure that it's completely up and solved before I turn. Like, I don't like corner cutting. Like, I hate corner cutting like that. I don't know why, but I just hate it. So whenever I do start my next move, I always make sure that my move is fully solved. A good way to practice is turning it fast like this, and then turning one like this, turning it right after. I try my best not to corner cut. Okay, so this is the scramble that I got, and I will be fast forwarding my inspection now. Okay, 3, 2, 1.